Tungsten wire is a hot commodity. It's traded all over the world. Why? Because it's super strong and can handle extreme heat. This wire is made from tungsten, a metal known for its toughness. It's got the highest melting point of any metal out there. This makes tungsten wire perfect for applications where things get hot, hot, hot. We're talking thousands of degrees. It's also a great conductor of electricity. This unique combination of properties makes tungsten wire invaluable across numerous industries. Think about it. The world depends on this little wire. The uses of tungsten wire span across multiple industries and applications. In the electronics industry, tungsten wire is commonly used in the production of filaments for incandescent light bulbs, electron tubes, and electron microscopes. Its high melting point and excellent conductivity make it an ideal material for applications requiring high temperature resistance and precise electrical properties. In the aerospace and automotive industries, tungsten wire is utilized in the manufacturing of heating elements, igniters, and electrical contacts due to its robustness and reliability under extreme conditions. Tungsten wire is also employed in the production of vacuum tubes, welding electrodes, and heating elements in industrial processes. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit NavaTies.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Tungsten wire is everywhere in our lives, even if we don't see it. It's a hidden hero in many of the technologies we rely on daily. It lights up our homes, powers our electronics, and even helps build our cars. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, tungsten wire is at work. One of the biggest uses is in light bulbs. Tungsten wire has been a key component in lighting for over a century. Remember those old school incandescent bulbs? Tungsten wire is what made them glow. Its durability and high melting point made it ideal for this purpose. It's also used in halogen lamps and other lighting applications. Modern lighting solutions still rely on tungsten wire for its efficiency, but it's not just about lighting. Tungsten wire is essential in electronics. It forms the backbone of many electronic components. Think smartphones, computers, and all sorts of other gadgets. Without tungsten wire, many of these devices wouldn't function as efficiently. It's used in electrodes, heating elements, and other critical components. Its properties make it indispensable in high-temperature applications. Tungsten wire also plays a vital role in the aerospace and automotive industries. It's crucial for the performance and safety of these vehicles. Its strength and heat resistance make it perfect for use in rocket engines, welding equipment, and even spark plugs in your car. Tungsten wire truly is a versatile and essential material. The global trade for tungsten wire is currently valued at approximately USD 140 million, fluctuating between USD 128 million and USD 153 million over the last 5 years. In terms of quantity, the trade volume stands at about 7,100 tons, ranging between 4,600 tons and 9,600 tons during the same period. The average price per kilogram of tungsten wire is approximately USD 20. The top importers of tungsten wire include Philippines, USA, India, China, Costa Rica, Germany, Japan, Poland, Czechia, and South Korea, while the leading exporters are China, USA, Japan, Philippines, Austria, India, Netherlands, Germany, Hungary, and Czechia. India currently exports USD 9 million worth of tungsten wire, supplying approximately 23 tons to the global market at an average price of USD 382 per kilogram. India holds a 6.38% market share in terms of value and 0.33% in terms of quantity. Over the past 5 years, India's market share has ranged between 4.53% and 6.38%, generating revenues between USD 5.83 million and USD 8.95 million. So if you are looking to import high quality tungsten wire at better rates, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for tungsten wire trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. The future of tungsten wire looks incredibly bright and full of potential. The demand for this versatile material is expected to grow even further in the coming years, driven by various industries. One area with huge potential is renewable energy, which is rapidly expanding. Tungsten wire is used in solar panels and other renewable energy technologies, making it essential for the green energy revolution. As the world shifts towards cleaner energy sources, the demand for tungsten wire will only increase, supporting sustainable development. Another significant growth area is three-dimensional printing, which is transforming manufacturing. This innovative technology uses tungsten wire as a raw material to create complex shapes and components with precision. As three-dimensional printing becomes more widespread and accessible, the demand for tungsten wire will continue to rise, driving further advancements. How can NavaTies help you explore the global trade of tungsten wire? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global tungsten wire trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import tungsten wire based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to the mining, metals and minerals, or access our world directory of companies, trade and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global tungsten wire trade or visit navaties.com. In summary, the international trade of tungsten wire is a dynamic and evolving sector within the mining, metals and minerals industry. With its unique properties and versatile applications, tungsten wire holds immense potential for growth and innovation in the global market. By understanding the product dynamics, market trends, and emerging opportunities, stakeholders can navigate the competitive landscape and capitalize on the expanding demand for tungsten wire worldwide. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.